Hi you guys, this is my latest Noticing Nature. I wanted to show you after the first rains we get lots and lots of termites. So these are subterranean termites. They're coming out out of the soil here in my home. They're not in the wood of the house, they're in the soil, and they come out in this winged form, and then they will drop their wings. You know, they use the wings to disperse, so they'll disperse, fly away. You've probably seen them flying now after the rain, and then find a mate and lose those wings and establish a colony, a new colony somewhere else. So here is, I can show you one here that's lost his wings. He's walking around, and pretty soon you'll be able to see one chasing the other one, and you see them, two of them in a row, walking around together. Here's one coming out into the sun. So here's a pair, do you notice, that are following each other. They've lost those wings and they're ready to go off and establish a new colony. The rest here are still flying around and trying to find a mate. Very amazing that there are so many of these after the first rains.